Okay, guys. So this strategy has made me so much money. In just 5 days, I've made millions of naira in 5 days. Just in 5 days, I'm not joking, guys. So I want to show you guys how to use this strategy so that you can equally make money using this strategy. All right, it's very simple. Trust me, it's that simple to use or to make money with this strategy. All right. So it's like a two-in-one strategy where you can catch spikes and also scalp the boom and crash markets. I'm not joking. All right. So this strategy, you use it to trade the boom and crash assets. You trade the B1000, B500, C1000, C500. Okay. So it's very active, very profitable. All right. So I'll show you guys without wasting time how to use this strategy and the settings for this strategy. Okay. So make sure that you stay and watch this video to the end so as to understand or know the secret in this strategy, because it's not just the strategy they tell you when it crosses you buy or sell. There are so many things you need to know before you'll be able to know how to trade this strategy. Okay, before you know how to trade this strategy. So guys, so welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of boom and crash, major of indices, major of currency. All right, so we trade both currency and synthetic indices, and we are doing fine. If you check my free Telegram channel, you see what we're doing right there. We are killing the markets, and we have Mentor Academy where you can join and learn how to analyze the market as a pro. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. Like I said, you use the 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy, but also you'll be switching to 30 minutes time frame for some confirmations. Okay, there are some confirmation you need to get on the higher time frame, like the 30 minutes time frame, before you coming down to 1 minute time frame to make an entry. Very important, but it's very simple though. Yeah. Then we use the second zoom level. Yeah, this is first and this is the second. But there are some people that can't really see well with the second zoom level due to maybe they have insight issue or whatever. I don't know. So you can as well keep it here. Zoom level 3. You can still see properly. All right. Yeah. Now when you are trading your screen, you can move your screen to the back or centralize it. Is still all good because of the RSI I'm using here. RSI does not jump. It does not jump. I don't know how to explain that. There's other indicators like the Ichimoku or MA. If you have MA in the indicator window, MA will be jumping. If you shift your screen like this, MA will jump, might drop down to this point, and you shift to this point, it will jump back to this level. So but RSI, why I love using RSI, you guys will be thinking, why is it that I love using RSI? Add RSI to my in all my indicators. It's because RSI tells you the actual price, not when it's jumped. It does not lack unnecessarily. So it tells you the actual price. So if market gets to this oversold level and keeps going to the oversold level, it will tell you. But MA can never pass this level. MA can never pass this level. No matter how far the price goes, it can never pass this level. So it's not cool. So that's why even if I have MA as my key indicator, lead indicator, I still need to include RSI because I want to know when the price goes down below my buy zone or my sell zone, depending. Do you understand? So yeah, so this RSI now does not jump unnecessarily. So you can position your camera, your screen anywhere. It could be here, 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 here. So far you can see what you're doing. So far you can see what you're doing perfectly well. Then you're good. Okay, so this strategy, like I said earlier, is for catching of spikes. So today I'm showing you guys how to it's catching of spikes and scalping the financial markets. But today I'll show you how to catch spike with this strategy. I'll show you how to catch spikes with this strategy. It's that simple. All right, how to catch spikes with this strategy. All right, so yeah, the first thing I'll do now is show you guys the settings for this strategy. After showing the setting for the strategy, I'll now show you guys how to use this strategy to catch spikes on boom markets. Then I'll also take my time to show you how to catch spikes on the crash markets and also show you how to scalp with this same strategy. It's over 99% win rate. If you follow all the conditions, you follow everything I'm about to tell you guys, trust me, you'll stay profitable with this strategy. You just need to keep practicing and try it on your demo accounts first till you get used to you know how to use this strategy. Though it's user friendly, but when you know how to use this strategy, you make consistent profits. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not joking. All right, so yeah, so the settings for this strategy, we have just 4 indicators. Okay, we have 3 MA on the main charts, okay, on the main window, and then we have RSI on the indicator window 1. Okay, so on the main window, the first indicator you're bringing in will be MA4. So MA period 4 is the first indicator, and the period is 4, shift is 0, method is smoothed, applied to typical price. Okay, then the style here, I'm using blue. Let's just use blue. Let's say we use blue, okay, so that we have the same beauty, the same color there on that chart. Okay, we use blue right there. It's very simple. You click on done. That's the blue indicator we have in here on the main window. Is blue indicator right there. So, and after that, we go back again and we are adding the second MA. The second MA is 6, period is 6, shift is 0, method is smoothed, applied to typical price. The style, on the style we have red color. You can put red color as well. Okay, you put red color, and pixels should be at least 2. Is it 2 or 3? Yeah, 3 pixel. Okay, you click on done. All right, that's the second indicator, the red one we have right there. Then the last MA will be MA 60. Yeah, the period is 60, shift is 0, method is smoothed, applied to typical price. Then the color is green. Okay, and see the same pixel 3. Okay, then you click on done. That's the green indicator we have right there up here. Okay, I'll tell you guys the job of this green indicator, because you'll be wondering, why is it up there? Why is it not around where you have the current price? I'll tell you guys my reasons. Okay, so now we go back again, right, and we are adding the last indicator, which is the RSI. Okay, so the period is 16. Okay, applied to typical price, and levels here we have level 90, we have 85, we have 15, and we have 10. Okay, and the pixel here, you can see the pixel, but the color here, if you're using black background, you change it to white. You change the color to white. But if you're using white, you're using black, so that we will be able to see, you'll be able to see it on your charts. Okay, you click on done, and done. That's simple. All right, so this is how to use this strategy, guys. If you did not like this video, please just do that now. I want to tell you guys something. It doesn't take anything from you. It's as simple as just smash the like button. You did that, right? Nice, thank you. So it's very simple. Just smash the like button. The idea is to just encourage this person. Okay, bro, we're seeing what you're doing. You've been doing this every time. Like, I just woke up now on this 7:57. I woke up some hours ago. After checking my chat, I decided to bring this video to you guys, all right, so that people will be making money. Because when I'm done, maybe if I'm tired in the evening where I cannot check my chart, that's when I bring the strategy and start scalping and catching up spikes and make money. Okay, so for me to bring it up and take my time to explain this thing very well, you should know that it's a great job. It's a big job. It's not easy. Okay, so I want you guys to always show me that love by smashing that like button. Subscribe to this channel, bro. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Drop some good comments. Let me see reasons to do more of this. Then join the free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video to join the free Telegram channel. Okay, because classes we have classes just started 2 days ago, and we've had classes started 2 days ago. We started that was on Sunday, and yesterday, which was Monday. Okay, so but it's not late for someone, because it was just kind of introduction, trying to let them understand, give them a heads up. Okay, this is what we're gonna be talking about. This is what we will be doing. All right, so if you join the academy, it's not late. You can still meet up and start knowing how to analyze the market as a pro. The same thing I know about the market is the same thing I'll give it to you. So in the class, people likes asking me this question. I'm not showing you guys indicators like this. No, I'm showing you how to analyze the market, how to move to a higher time frame and make your decision and know, okay, this market that I'm seeing here will be selling from now on. To be selling instead of buying. So I'll be looking for selling opportunity of looking for buying opportunity. So that's what I'm showing you. You know when it will start buying, you know when it start selling on its own, you know where it's buying to and where it's selling to, the reasons why you have to so reversal and stuff like that. That's what we talk about in the class. So it's not just about indicators, we show pure price action. All right. The easy steps that I've been using to make it in the trading. You know, I've been in this system for good 7 years now. For good 7 years now, I've been in this system since 2017. I started trading. All right. So 2017 till today is like 7 to 6 years, 6 to 7 years now, right? So I've been in this business for good 6 to 7 years now. Okay, so I want to show you guys, if I'm coming to the class to teach, I'm giving you guys exactly what I know. I don't hide anything from anybody because I want everybody to be successful. Why should I hide something from you guys when the market? All right. So yeah, before you trade this strategy, the first thing you need to do is to know the overall market trend. Now, you cannot catch spikes on boom and crash when you don't know the trend very well. It will be a bit hard for you to just catch spikes without knowing the market trend. You need to know the market trend properly so as to be able to catch spikes. Okay, then again, when you are scalping, you still need to know the trend, market trend, before you scalp. You don't just come blindly and start scalping and start catching spikes. It does not really work. It does, but then you find it difficult to maintain, maybe to stay profitable consistently, right? So the first thing you need to know why I'm adding this indicator is for the indicator to tell you how or the trend in the market for those that doesn't know the market trend and all. So you move to 30 minutes time frame first of all. When you move to your 30 minutes time frame, okay. When you move to your 30 minutes time frame, what you're looking for will be what is the trend of this asset. So B1000 for now, it's a downtrend. It's going down. Now, why? Because we have this green indicator up to this point. Sorry. We have the green indicator up to the level here, up here. So now, this is the job of MA. MA tells you the market trend. It tells you the market trend. So when you have the green indicator above the current price, when I say above the current price, this is the current price. This is where market is still trading. All right. So you have the MA above the current price. That means that you are still in a downtrend. Market will be going down more. Can you see when the green indicator was above the candlesticks? All right, you see market was going down more and more, and market went back again to this point, and immediately market touched this green indicator. It started going down again. So this indicator serves as both trend indicator and also a support and resistance. All right, it also serves as a support and resistance. So when you see the green indicator above the current price, that means we are in an uptrend. Sorry, we are in a downtrend. But when you see the current price above the green indicator, that means we are in an uptrend. So this tells us that this is a downtrend. This market is a downtrend because we have the green indicator above. Okay, so if you check here, where we had the green indicator below the candlesticks, around this level here, we had the green indicator below the candlesticks. That this shows that we are in an uptrend. We had in the green indicator still up there. You can see candles. Market was going up. Market was going up over and over. Okay, until we had a break. Until the indicator went above the current price, then that's when we started seeing downtrend. Okay, so that's the job of this green indicator. It tells you the trend, market trend. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Okay, so now as we speak now, B1000 is in a downtrend. This is a downtrend because it has not gotten above the green indicator. So we're looking at selling more. In this situation, if I'm showing you how to scalp, you'll be using this indicator to scalp. All right, but today we're talking about how to catch spikes with this indicator. So let's quickly check lower time frame how effective this strategy is. So now, when you are catching spikes with this strategy, yeah, catching spike with this strategy, when we have the green indicator above, okay, you check first of all, we have, okay, so let's say from here, from this level, we still have a green indicator below. Then from this other red line, we have it above the current price, right? Okay, so from here to this other side, let's see what happened when market was around that level. So let's check the 1 minute time frame. All right, so you can see from this place, this is where we place that line, where we have the green indicator below the current price on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, then between there and this other side of the red line. All right, so from here, from this red line back to the other red line, we want to see what has been happening when the green indicator was below the candlesticks. All right, you can see from here, there was a massive spike. There was a spike, and this spike did not just happen. After the spike, market was going up for a long time. We had multiple spikes after that level. Look at that. Multiple spikes after that level. Market was going up and up, over and over, without dropping. Okay, so multiple spikes from that zone. Okay, right. Then if we keep moving back to this point, we see again when market touched the oversold level. You can see it was even hard for market to get to the oversold level because it's an uptrend. The indicator shows that it's an uptrend. So you see another time when we had a touch to that oversold zone, there was a spike. There was a massive spike. Market spiked like twice or so. Yeah. Then another one here, you can see we have spikes right there because market touched the oversold zone, which is here, and there was a spike without any issue at all. Okay, without going down over and over. So yeah, so we have another one right there. We have another one right here. You can see the long spike, multiple spikes right there. This one also, massive spike, double spike. Once we had another spike here, though it wasn't long at all. There was another spike right there. There was another spike right here. All right. So not until we had this one that went all the way down, which is not good. That's not a good one. So I advise you guys, when you're catching spikes on boom and crash, you just need to know how much you're losing. If it does not spike, okay, I'm closing out so amount. Okay, I'm giving out $10 from my entry. If it does not hit spike before $10 or immediately get to a certain level, you should close. You're closing out your SL will just close out automatically. So you can see when we had markets around above indicator, below the candlesticks, it was spiking over and over. Yeah, that's how the strategy works. So you stay on the 30 minutes time frame first, market's direction, before you jump into buying or selling. Okay, so now we have the green indicator above the current price or the candlesticks. Market is actually selling hard. So in this situation, if you can scalp, you're making good profits. You can see, like, from this level, somebody that scalped from this level, you can see what is happening from this level. You can see going down, all the way down, without a single spike. All right, so make sure that you stay and watch the next video, because I'm going to show you guys how to catch spikes with this, how to scalp with this same strategy. All right, so yeah, if you don't understand the strategy, or you think there's something I did not explain very well, just drop a comment, let me know, so if need be for me to maybe explain or make a new video, I'll do that for you. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you and bye bye.